Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use 11Labs for free. So first thing what you will do is simply go to 11labs.io, and this will be their homepage as you can see. And right away you should be able to see here get started free. So click on that, and after that you will just simply sign up with a account. So I'm gonna sign up with Google. And now once you are signed in, they will have the introduction. I'm gonna go for light and provide your name over here and your date of birth and select next. And from here, where did you hear the 11 labs? I'm gonna go for other, and it is just a survey. I'm gonna go for personal use and go for fun, and after that select get started. And from here, right off, you should be able to have a free account. So from here, select get started. And guys, when you select your profile at the bottom left corner, as you can see, we have a total of 10 points. So guys, these 10 points means we have a free feature of 11 labs for 10 minutes, and we could use their tools on the left side over here, including text to speech, voice changer, and sound effects. So guys, from here you can generate up to 10 minutes, and of course if you want to upgrade, just simply select upgrade over here. So guys, from here you will have multiple packages that you could consider, and when you go to the manage subscription, as you can see, free plan is free forever. So if you don't know 11 labs, you can use it totally for free and make the most out of your free credits. And from here, just simply start typing your text to turn it into a speech. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.